This is a reciprocal disciplinary action pursuant to Part 9 of the Texas Rules of Disciplinary Procedure based on respondent Darrell Keith Hickman's professional misconduct of a fully probated suspension in the state of Louisiana. Petition for reciprocal discipline was filed with BODA on December the 5th, 2014. The order to show cause was issued by the Board of Disciplinary Appeals on December the 10th, 2014, requiring the respondent to show cause why identical discipline should not be imposed in Texas. The respondent was served by personal service on December the 16th, 2014, with the petition in order to show cause by Olin Cowan, a Rapids Parish Deputy Sheriff. The original proof of service has been on file with the board since January the 9th, 2015. On May 16th, 2014, an order was entered in the Supreme Court of the state of Louisiana in the matter styled in re Darrell K. Hickman, number 2014 B0817, that states that the petition for consent discipline is accepted and that Darrell Keith Hickman is suspended from the practice of law for a period of 1 year and that the suspension is deferred. And the joint petition for consent discipline included in the order acknowledged, Darrell Hickman acknowledged that he violated Rule 1.4a, failing to properly communicate with the client, Rule 8.4c, engaging in conduct involving dishonesty, deceit, or misrepresentation, and Rule 8.4a, violating the rules of professional conduct. Approach. Petitioner would like to offer Exhibit 1, which is a certified copy of the order entered in the Supreme Court of Louisiana in the matter styled in re Darrell K. Hickman, cause number 2014 B0817, and Exhibit 2, which is the original certification from Blake A. Hawthorne, Clerk of the Supreme Court of Texas, dated January the 7th, 2015, which indicates that respondent is licensed but not currently authorized to practice law in the state of Texas. We seek a 1-year fully probated suspension as reciprocal discipline.
Exhibits 1 and 2 will be admitted.
Thank you.
Mr. Berry, I had one or two questions.
Sure.
Mr. Hickman, who was licensed in Louisiana and Texas, undertook the representation, as I understand it, of Miss Jocelyn LaFear. He prepared a petition to file suit on her behalf, but never filed that petition.
Correct.
He misled her about the filing of the petition, or in this case, the non-filing of the petition, for several years. Then she only learned that suit had never been filed after terminating the representation with Mr. LaFear. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And Mr. LaFear did not contest the Louisiana penalty of a 1-year suspension, and he was cited for failing to properly communicate with the client, but also for engaging in conduct involving dishonesty, deceit, or misrepresentation.
Correct.
And for that, he received only a 1-year suspension.
That's correct.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Anything further from the board? Thank you, Mr. Berry.
Thank you.
We'll take that matter under advisement.